You've seen the claw logo. You've tasted the jolt of caffeine and sugar. Whether it's keeping students awake before exams, powering gamers through all-nighters, or sponsoring athletes across the globe, Monster Energy has become more than a drink. It's a symbol of adrenaline, speed, and edge. But behind the branding, have you ever wondered how Monster is actually made? What goes into that glowing green can? And how do factories produce millions of energy drinks every day without missing a beat? Today, we're stepping inside the world of mass energy drink manufacturing, where chemistry, precision, and sheer speed come together to fuel one of the world's most iconic beverages. 1. The formula, more than just caffeine Monster. Energy isn't just sugar and caffeine. It's a carefully engineered formula that combines stimulants, flavorings, and stabilizers in exact proportions. Each can contain a blend of ingredients designed not just to taste good, but to deliver a predictable energy boost that feels the same with every sip, whether you're drinking it in New York, Tokyo, or Berlin. The base of the drink starts with purified water, which forms the majority of the liquid. To this, food scientists add a complex mix of ingredients like caffeine, taurine, B vitamins, ginseng extract, and L-carnitine. These compounds are known to affect alertness, endurance, and mental focus. But it's not as simple as just mixing them together. Each ingredient is measured precisely, and many of them require stabilization to prevent them from separating, reacting, or settling in the can over time. To balance the functional ingredients, Monster's flavor teams develop custom taste profiles using fruit acids, sweeteners, and proprietary aromas. The result is that signature sweet-sour punch that tastes like citrus with a hint of mystery. Bold enough to cut through fatigue, smooth enough to finish the can. 2. Mixing and blending. Chemistry at scale. Once the recipe is ready, it's time to scale it up, and this happens inside massive stainless steel blending tanks that can hold thousands of gallons of liquid. Each tank is equipped with precision dosing systems that inject ingredients at tightly controlled rates. The factory's control room oversees every step with computer monitoring, ensuring that the exact concentrations are hit. No more, no less. The ingredients are added in stages. Water comes first, followed by sweeteners like glucose or sucralose. The flavoring concentrates are added next, followed by functional additives like caffeine and taurine. Some ingredients are delivered as powders and must be pre-dissolved in smaller mixing tanks before entering the main batch. Others are temperature sensitive and added last to avoid degradation. As the liquid is mixed, it is constantly tested for pH, color, sweetness, and even smell. It's also filtered to remove any particles or air bubbles that could affect shelf life or appearance. Once the mixture is fully blended, it's stored in holding tanks under pressurized, sanitary conditions while the canning line prepares for filling. 3. Can production, crafting the Monster shell. While the liquid is being prepared, another part of the factory is busy making the cans. Monster's cans are typically made from aluminum, delivered to the plant as preformed blanks or long rolls of aluminum sheet. In high-speed can production lines, these sheets are punched into circular discs, drawn into cup shapes, and then stretched and molded into tall, thin cans. Each can is washed, dried, and coated on the inside with a food-safe liner that prevents the drink from reacting with the metal. This coating is essential for taste and safety. Even a microscopic flaw could affect shelf life or flavor. Outside, the can is printed with Monster's signature design using specialized printing rollers that apply the ink and cure it using high-intensity light. The sharp colors, matte finish, and embossed logo are all added in line, giving each can its distinct look and feel. Once ready, the cans are sent to the filling area, clean, dry, and waiting for their charge of liquid energy. 4. Filling and sealing. Lightning fast. Liquid delivery. Now comes one of the most impressive stages: can filling. In modern beverage factories, this step happens at incredible speed, often more than 1,000 cans per minute. Empty cans are fed into a filling carousel where each one is flushed with CO2 to remove oxygen. Then the drink is injected under pressure to preserve carbonation and prevent foaming. The moment the can is full, it's moved to a sealing unit where an aluminum lid is placed on top and crimped into place using precision rollers. This creates an airtight seal that locks in flavor and freshness. From here, the sealed can goes through a high-pressure rinse and a drying tunnel, ensuring that the outside is spotless and label-ready. Throughout the process, sensors check each can's fill level, pressure, and seal integrity. Any defective cans, whether underfilled, overweight, or improperly sealed, are automatically rejected and recycled. 5. Pasteurization and quality control, keeping it safe and stable. To make sure the drink stays safe for months on the shelf, many Monster products go through pasteurization. This involves gently heating the sealed cans to a controlled temperature that kills any remaining microbes without affecting flavor. The process is done in a tunnel pasteurizer, a long conveyor system where the cans are sprayed with hot water, then gradually cooled again. At every stage, quality control technicians pull random samples for testing. These samples are analyzed in on-site labs for sweetness, acidity, caffeine levels, microbial safety, and taste accuracy. If any batch falls outside the acceptable range, it is discarded or corrected before release. The packaging is also checked. Labels must be aligned perfectly, batch codes must be printed clearly, and the cans must withstand stacking, vibration, and temperature changes during transport. 6. Packaging and distribution, from factory floor to fridge. Once the cans are filled, sealed, and inspected, they move into the final phase, packaging. Cans are grouped into packs of 4, 6, 12, or 24 using high-speed robotic arms and conveyors. They are then shrink-wrapped or boxed into cartons for stacking. Each package is stamped with a batch code, production date, and tracking number. Pallets are wrapped for stability and loaded onto refrigerated trucks or into storage facilities, depending on the destination. Monster's global distribution network ensures that once the product leaves the factory, it can be on a store shelf or in your hand within just a few days. From massive fulfillment centers, shipments head to grocery chains, gas stations, gyms, vending machines, and even stadiums, where the energy brand thrives. 7. The branding engine, powering the lifestyle. Unlike most drinks, Monster isn't just sold as a beverage, it's marketed as a lifestyle. Every can that leaves the factory is part of a global branding strategy that involves extreme sports, music festivals, motorsports, and streetwear. But all of that relies on one thing: a consistent, well-made product that delivers every time. That's why Monster's production facilities are designed for scale, reliability, and safety. Whether it's the first can off the line or the 10 millionth, the formula has to hit the mark, the flavor must be right, and the experience has to be unmistakably Monster. It's not just an energy drink, it's industrial chemistry in a can. And it's everywhere. Making Monster energy drinks isn't just about mixing ingredients and sealing a can. It's about building a system that never slows down, where high-speed machines, sterile production lines, and hundreds of microchecks work in unison to create a product that feels personal, even at global scale. So the next time you crack open a can and feel that sweet surge of energy, remember the journey behind it. It's a story of stainless steel tanks, robotic arms, industrial chemistry, and flawless timing, all working behind the scenes to power the buzz in your hand. If this inside look at the Monster Energy Factory fueled your curiosity, give this video a like and subscribe for more epic breakdowns of how your favorite products are made. Got a request? Drop it in the comments and we'll take you straight to the source. Until next time, stay sharp and keep the energy flowing.